The best secured credit cards of December 2021 as we head into 2022. Now, whether you're looking to build credit from scratch or rebuild credit after a bad setback, a secured credit card can be an invaluable tool. Secured cards require you to provide a cash security deposit, usually equal to your credit line. The issuer holds the deposit in case you don't pay your bill. You get the deposit back when you upgrade to a regular unsecured card or close the account in good standing. Because the deposit protects the issuer from losing money, secure cards are easier for people with bad credit or no credit to qualify for. As you use the card, the issuer reports your activity to the credit bureaus, the companies that compile the credit reports that form the basis of credit scores. Keep your balance relatively low and pay your bill on time every month, and you can begin to strengthen your credit. This is from nerdwallet.com. We will have a link to this article down below if you want to check it out. But as you can see, their pick for low deposit, Capital One Platinum Secured Credit Card. This has a $0 annual fee, not available for the intro APR. Regular APR is 26.99%, and the recommended credit score is 300 to 629. The Capital One Platinum Secured Credit Card may not be a good fit for folks recovering from major credit damage, but it could be an excellent match for someone getting a credit card for the first time. And as we look at some of the pros and cons, you can see with most secured cards, your deposit must be equal to your credit limit. But with the Capital One Platinum Secured Credit Card, you can get a limit of $200 for a deposit of $49, $99, or $200. If you can't come up with your whole deposit up front, you can pay it in installments before activating your card. Pay your bill on time, and you can also be automatically considered for a higher credit line in as little as 6 months. The cons: the underwriting standards are tighter than for many other secured cards. You generally won't qualify if you don't have a checking or savings account, if you have a non-discharge bankruptcy, or if your rent is almost as high as your monthly income, among other reasons. Their pick for rewards and upgrading. And this is actually one of the secure cards that I actually first got and helped me to get onto the road of rebuilding my credit. So I'll probably do another video diving into this specific card alone. But as you can see, it is the Capital One Quicksilver Secured Cash Rewards Credit Card. This has a $0 annual fee, a 26.99% variable APR. The recommended credit score is the same as the last card, 300 to 629. And as you can see, it says the Capital One Quicksilver Secured Cash Rewards Credit Card offers the ability to build or rebuild credit while also enjoying a simple, straightforward rewards rate. So the pros and cons: the $0 annual fee card earns a 1.5% cash back on all purchases, a decent rate even among unsecured cards. It offers an automatic credit limit review after 6 months and a possible upgrade path to a traditional unsecured card with Capital One. The cons: as with all secure cards, an upfront deposit is required. The $200 minimum might be a tough hurdle for some to clear. Again, I'll probably be doing a video diving into this card specifically and at some point over the next few days or weeks. Discover It Secured Credit Card has a $0 annual fee, a 10.99% intro APR on balance transfers for 6 months. Its regular APR is 22.99%, and its recommended credit score is 300 to 629. When you consider the rewards, the lack of an annual fee, and the opportunity for an upgrade, the Discover It Secured Credit Card is the best secured credit card we've seen. The pros and cons. The pros: the rewards on this card: a 2% cash back on up to $1,000 worth of spending per quarter on restaurants and gas, and 1% on all other spending. Would be pretty decent on a regular card. For a secured credit card, they're unheard of. After 7 months, Discover automatically evaluates your account for possible upgrade to an unsecured card, and the annual fee is $0. Cons: The initial deposit must be paid with a bank account. If you are unbanked, you're out of luck. For some people, the $200 minimum deposit will be a stretch. For others, the maximum $2,500 credit limit will be too low. An easy account management. Chime Credit Builder Visa Credit Card. It has a $0 annual fee, and it's saying not available for the APR and regular APR. Its credit score recommended is 300 to 689. The Chime Credit Builder Visa credit card has no minimum deposit requirement, charges neither an annual fee nor interest, and doesn't require a credit check. And you can automate your payments so you're never late. But to get it, you must be a Chime banking customer. So the pros and cons. Instead of a security deposit, the card is backed by the money in a linked account, which you can add to at any time. The card won't let you spend any more than you have in the account. And when your payment is due, you can have the money taken from the account automatically. In a way, it works like a prepaid debit card, but unlike a prepaid card, it helps build credit. No credit check required to apply. The cons? The safety precautions that make it an excellent tool for building credit can also get in the way of learning how to handle credit responsibly. Any card you graduate to will work quite differently. Chime has been the subject of multiple complaints related to the way it freezes customers' funds. So take note of that con, my friends. I certainly want to make sure you draw attention to some of those complaints. No credit check or no bank account. Open Sky Secured Visa Credit Card has a $35 annual fee, a 17.39% variable APR, and a 300 to 689 recommended credit score. You don't have to undergo a credit check to apply, and you don't need a bank account to qualify. If these are areas of concern for you, the Open Sky Secured Visa Credit Card is definitely worth a look. If not, there are better and cheaper alternatives. The pros and cons. The pros. The issuer doesn't run a credit check on OpenSky secured Visa credit card applicants, making this an attainable option for people with severely damaged credit. You can make your deposit, minimum $200, maximum $3,000, and pay your bills with a debit card, wire transfer, check, or money order, making it one of the few secure cards that doesn't require a traditional bank account. The cons? There's an annual fee of $35, not excessive for a card for those with a very poor credit, but not $0 either. You generally can't upgrade your account to an unsecured card. And last but not least, no deposit alternative. So-called alternative credit cards can also be a good option for those with no or poor credit. Such cards are typically from smaller companies and startups, and many of them do not require a security deposit at all. The issuers behind these cards can opt to use proprietary, non-traditional underwriting standards such as income, employment, and bank account balances to evaluate the risk of lending to you. Pedal One No Annual Fee Visa Credit Card. It has a $0 annual fee, a regular APR of 19.99% to 29.49%, and the recommended credit score is 300 up to 719. And the Pedal One No Annual Fee Visa Credit Card requires no security deposit and, as its name suggests, has a $0 annual fee. Thanks to a unique underwriting process, it can be a good choice if you have less than ideal credit. So, what are the pros and cons? Well, the pros. Pedal's algorithm allows its issuing bank, WebBank, to look beyond just credit scores. It can evaluate your bank information to get a clear picture of how you manage income, savings, and spending. The card is light on fees, reports to all 3 credit bureaus, and even offers the chance at earning rewards. The cons? You may be required to link your bank account in order to get this card, and the rewards it does earn are only with select merchants. So my friends, I hope you guys find this list helpful as you continue or begin the journey of building or rebuilding your credit. All of these cards covered in this video pretty much fit the needs of anyone out there either building or rebuilding their credit. As I mentioned, I actually started off with the Capital One Quicksilver secured cash rewards credit card as one of my first credit cards. But it wasn't the first card that I bought. I kind of went one of those alternative routes that you kind of read about down here. But it wasn't what I thought it was. And again, that's a video for another day. So if you guys want to, get more insight into some of the best secured and just regular reward credit cards that are going to help you with building your credit, definitely make sure you guys subscribe to the channel. And also, if you want to hear a little about that journey that I took, and make sure you avoid some of the mistakes, the credit building mistakes that I made, because we're up there in that 700 club now, the high 700s. We're aiming for 800. And, I do anticipate things to get a little volatile as I start to really jump into the mix of getting more credit cards into the mix. So, I want to make sure you guys are part of this journey. So definitely hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and then hit the notification bell. And feel free to comment down below if you are using any of these cards covered in this video. Do you like them? Did you have any of them? And did they help you with building your credit? We want other people to also get into the mix and be able to hear your insights and hear other journeys and paths that other people have been on as well. So definitely leave a comment down below if you have used or are interested in any of these cards covered in this video. But all right, my friends, much appreciation for watching. Hopefully everyone's having a great week. And you guys already know, I got to keep it moving. But I'll see you in the next video. Peace.